I am going back to Turkey to get my second hair transplant in 18 days, and I'm going to be telling you guys how much it's going to cost in this video. So before we get started, my finger, I know, it's a little wrapped up. Had a little boo-boo, got it fixed. That's all you need to know. So as you guys know, this year I will be getting the more advanced version of a hair transplant than I got last year, because included in my package this year will be the stem cell treatment, where they will go in my abdomen, take some stem cells, put it on the top of my head to further escalate the healing process and make it so it goes quicker, it's better results, better all around, it's a better transplant. Clinic calls it the next generation transplant. That's their name for it. I can either do the FUE transplant or the new DHI technique. Honestly, throw it down in the comments which one you guys prefer. I'm probably going to go with the FUE just because I know it works phenomenal. But if any of you guys know more about the DHI, which one do you think I should go with? Anyway, this transplant also includes everything while I'm in Turkey. It includes the 5-star hotel, same one that I was in last year, and I will be there for an excess of 5 nights this time. Last time I was in Turkey, I was only in it for 2 nights and 3 days. This time I'm going to be there for 5 nights and 6 days. And after I get my stem cell treatment on the second day that I'm there, the rest of that day and the entirety of the next day, I don't have to do any transplant related stuff. It's a rest day, so I'll get to explore the city, which I'm very excited about that. And then the following day, I will be getting the transplant itself. But this is the price that I will be paying for the transplant this time around. This includes everything besides how much the flights are going to be. So last time I paid $3,400 for the transplant, and this time I believe it's $5,890. It's more expensive, and I'm totally willing to pay it because this is my final go. This is the last transplant I'm ever gonna get, and this is gonna be the one that gives me that full head of hair that I've been waiting for. So I cannot wait, because the results from the first one obviously were very decent. I used to be fully bald. Matter of fact, here's a video that my friend sent to me from right before I started this TikTok account. This video is from like April 15th, 2023. I started my TikTok account on April 17th, 2023. Check out this video. I mean, that is a fully bald man. I had some strings on my head, so over the course of the past, 2 years it's been, I have done the hair routine for the first year, the first transplant for the second year, added onto the hair routine. Now I'm getting this second transplant to truly finish the job. The 3-year plan is in play. I used to have no hair on my head. Now I'm a hairy little guy. You know what I mean? But the price is $5,850 or $5,890, whatever it is for the transplant. But I am in talks with the clinic right now to potentially maybe get it for free because I do these TikToks. Potentially, maybe. I mean, I don't know. It hasn't been confirmed yet, but that would be super sick if I could get it for free and not have to pay for it. Obviously, I make these TikToks. I kind of promote the clinic 24/7. It'd be really sick if I get it for free. So that'd be awesome. But I do want you guys to know from the bottom of my heart that no matter what, even if I get it for free, even if I get paid for anything, I'm going to stay completely genuine and give you my full thoughts on the entire experience, as I always have. It's always been my full thoughts. I've had a lot of good things to say, but that's because I've had fairly good experience, especially at Vera Clinic in Turkey. I mean, that's one of my favorite trips I've ever been on, and I'm so excited to go back this year, dude. I can't wait. Also, just because I love filming those full vlogs of like my entire day when I got my buddy Nick filming me. I think those videos last year, even the longer versions, they came out so good. I watch them back sometimes and I'm low-key giggling just at myself like a narcissist, but it's really fun to watch. Also, this is really cool, and I haven't said it yet. I don't think so. I don't know if I made a video saying this, but I don't even know if I can say this. I'm gonna say it. The Discovery Channel is gonna be there with me, filming a little something for the Discovery Channel. I don't think I can say what it is. I literally think I can't, like I'm not allowed to, but they are going to be there with me while I'm in Turkey filming me and my journey and whatnot. And I think that's all I can say, even though I really, really want to say more. But super excited for that. I mean, what are we talking about? The Discovery Channel? I'm just some bald guy that started posting on TikTok. That's insane. So that's all because of you guys. Thank you guys so much. But yeah, within that price is going to be everything. The transportation from the airport, the aftercare afterwards, the OxyCure, every single thing that has to do with my stay in Turkey, literally everything besides, the only thing I think I have to pay for is food. Obviously, you got to pay for food to eat food. Everything besides food is completely paid for. So once I can land in Turkey and I find my driver, I'm set to not worry about a thing. Just stay on schedule. That's all. I love you guys so much. Less than 2 weeks, baby, or a little bit more than 2 weeks, 18 days. And we'll be going to finish this job. Love you guys. See you soon.